Hello, welcome to Sherry's channel. Some people are curious about the selection of smoke exhaust system at the site of toilet, gym, chessboard room, restaurant, hospital, subway, factory, office building, hotel, shopping mall and other places with confined space and strong smell. When select ventilation and smoke exhaust system, we should consider of the area of place. This model with 205 cubic meters per hour and 100 millimeters caliber, which is suitable for the toilet ventilation beyond 5 square meters or office fresh air beyond 10 square meters. This model with 350 cubic meters per hour and 150 millimeters caliber has a great smoke exhaust effect, which are suitable for karaoke room or chessboard room between 20 to 40 square meters. This type of circular duct fan, newly designed with the most advanced technology over the world, can greatly save costs of pipeline design and installation. One we can see now also has a great smoke exhaust effect. Its air volume is 210 cubic meters per hour and it has a 100 millimeters caliber. It works effectively for 30 square meters of office and chessboard room. This model with 920 cubic meters per hour and with a 200 millimeters caliber, suitable for 40 to 60 square meters of restaurant. The air volume of this model is 1,600 cubic meters per hour. The diameter is 315 millimeters, which is suitable for the factory workshops, bath standards, and so on. More questions about fans, please leave a message in the comment area for our discussion or chat with me privately. Please leave a like for us. Have a nice day. By calling fan to come to me.